Located in the Administrator pull-down menu, the first selection is Setup System. Now, the contents of this particular section here apply to the system installer or programmer, not so much for the restaurant management. So within this, I'm just going to offer a bit of an overview on what this does, but I will not be going into specific details. The first tab here is System, and all of the information within here applies to the system in general, in terms of things it interfaces with, the way the telephone numbers show up, and so on. The next one is System Taxes. Now this applies to all of the taxes that could be applied to your establishment. Within this, you can apply up to 5 different taxes and their various rates. Company Info. This is information on the establishment in terms of the main contacts and the actual address of the establishment itself. If you're using things such as mapping and so on for deliveries, then this will be critical information. POS Reports. This applies to all of the various reports that show up on the front end, such as employee cash out and end of day. Preset Payment. This applies to the quick payment buttons that may apply within the finish screen. Along with this as well, some determination pertaining to tender balancing and pay-ins and payouts. Orders. Orders has 3 general sections. The first section applies to the programming of future orders. The second one applies to course prefixes, so if you order items by course, for example, then this would apply. And then we have auto gratuity, so that the system will calculate a gratuity based on certain circumstances. The Defaults tab contains messages that would show up on the remote prints, or the kitchen prints, or the bar prints, where you're doing things such as splitting a topping for a pizza, or maybe splitting the seating, seat 1 of 2, seat 2 of 2, and so on. Collaboration has to do with the setup of the big blank area that shows up within the main back office screen. On here, you can actually populate this with an intranet website. And email setup allows you to do the configuration for any form of emailing that would pertain to employee scheduling and web-based ordering. And along with this as well, a confirmation agent based on your web order.